Hello and thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying out the ugly head. This fits 99% of all gas trimmers. It's by Shakespeare. That's what it looks like. We've already got some line on this one here so you can see how it goes in there. So yeah, we're going to take it apart here, take the box, open the box up anyway, and we're going to try to put this on a trimmer and see how good it works today. For setting up the ugly head on your trimmer, the instructions here have 3 ways to put it on. You find the model trimmer that you have, whether curved or straight. You can see, for example, that Bowen's is number 3, and so here is method 3 right here. You'll be using a hex adapter. Method 3, that's the adapter. Plastic spacer. Here's the hardware for that. There's a plastic adapter. There's that spacer. Then there's method 2. You've got an adapter cup. That should be the adapter cup right there. I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to put this on a weed eater. And so I'm using method 1. It is a curved one, I believe, so it'll be method 1. Method 1 is right here. Just follow these instructions. Unscrew the head off. That's what I'm going to do first. There's my, that fell off in my hand. That's the nut. And they provide several, no they don't either. I thought they, yeah they do. They provide several nuts and bolts. I don't even think I'm going to need some of that hardware. Here we are with method 1, which is what I'm using. Number 1 says consult owner's manual to determine method to lock shaft rotation. Could be keyhole or require a wrench. So I've already taken mine off, as you saw there. I'm going to move on to yeah, we're moving on to right here already. All I'm going to do is just drop the nut that I have here to the ugly head. Like you see there. And of course it's going to have to line up and lock itself in, so it's going to take a little while to get that to work out. If I could like hold it until, there we go, just like that right there. And that's what the bottom's going to look like. So where you put the string in, or the line, that's going to be facing the trimmer, and facing the ground will be what you see here. So I'm just going to get my nuts started on the trimmer. Nice to have a screwdriver or something to hold that nut so that it stays at the top of, there we go. Alright, I'm going to use 2 hands now. With the Weed Eater brand I'm using here, I'm tightening this head clockwise. That's about as tight as it was before, so I'm going to leave it there. And that's all there is to putting this ugly head on, a trimmer, at least using step 1. I'm going to use some of the trimmer line that they provided and put that in place, and maybe we can try it out. The line that they provided here measures at about 11.5 inches. It's triangular shaped. Just going to feed it into the holes here. Let me show you the holes. The holes are not triangular, so you could probably use a round line. Doesn't matter which way you put it in, as far as I can tell from here. Super easy. Okay, so the centrifugal force should keep it from backing out. So let's go ahead and load this one up here. I'm going to try to start this out because I'd like it to be like what you have here, really close together. That's what I just put in right there. As you can see, it separates itself, which is not really bad, I guess. Let's try to do this one and put the ends okay, maybe you can see what I'm trying to do here. Get them even here and just pull it. Okay, so see what happened? They're still separating. So I don't know how this one is on here like that. Maybe it's, I don't know how that's done, but these two are just flaring out. Probably okay though. Here on the back side of the page you have method 2, method 3, and method 4. So just find out which trimmer you have that identifies with the method that you need to put it on. Okay, so you can see where I was hitting up against the fence, cutting this kind of stuff right here. That's close to 1/4 of an inch right there, more than 1/8 of an inch. Check this out. Not one of those broke off. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So it's pretty heavy duty stuff here, no joke. So I'm going to keep on trimming here, probably not going to film anymore. But you know, you can imagine that on grass it's not going to be a problem at all. So yeah, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching the video. Ugly Head by Shakespeare. Voyage line breakage due to revolving design. Have a nice day. Take care.